Today we're gonna explore Pandora. It's a hot day. Be sure to wear your sunscreen on your body. Stay hydrated. Let's go! Tourist, and my name is Olly. Today we're gonna explore Pandora. Did you guys watch Avatar? This is where they live, right here. You're gonna have a blast today with me. On a river journey. You guys are gonna love this. Come on. So cute. Thank you. Guys, this looks so good. Oh yeah. We're gonna get some food now. It's gonna be super yummy. Come on. Yummy. Guys, this looks so good. Check it out. Look, I got some chicken. I got some beef. I got some noodles. All kinds of yummy stuff. What is this? Oh wow. This is crazy looking because there's like a blueberry splashing on it. Let's took it. What's that? Whoa, it's... I'm gonna try to check it. Thumbs up from the Tangerine Tourist.
That's going to control the head. Do you hear him roaring? Ah!
Super tall, and I'm 44 inches. I get to go on flight crashes for the first time. Come on, join me. Look how tall I am. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, we're getting close.
Here's a pair of glasses for you.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage. The great day today, did you? Leave me some comments. Tune in next week for another Tangerine Tourist. Thumbs up for my video and thumbs up for you. Bye bye.